Well, it's the middle of January here in East Tennessee. You want the Craft Bandicoot, buddy? Middle of January here in East Tennessee. I'm going to show you what I got going on, other than what just got going on in life right now. Got me a grow closet going. I'll show you. See that? All my gardening stuff. Let's see. Got these lights sitting real close to the. What are you doing, boy?
Hi.
Hey, buddy. I'm trying to show off my grow closet. Yeah. What are you doing? Either way, back here behind my boy, I got two shop lights rigged up. Really close down here to the seed trays. I got a heat mat under this one. I got a fan going right there. Got everything plugged in. That strip up there with a timer on the lights. Now this is where I'm gonna start my garden. Whatever I got left over, it's gonna be, probably sell it down at the flea market or something. Try to make a little bit of money. Middle of January, like I said, so we got about 12 weeks. Is what we're looking for when you're starting anything. You want to know the average last frost date, which is about middle of April. So I can start on my seeds for stuff that I can have inside for about 12 weeks. Which we got over here. I want to use that Jiffy starting mix. Good stuff you can get at Walmart, whatever. These are my seeds, but out here are my seeds that I'm going to try them, that I'm going to start today. Got rosemary, lavender, celery, parsley, oregano, thyme, chives, onions, broccoli, and my peppers. I'm going to go ahead and get them started as today, and they'll be inside 12 weeks. And I'm not going to show you how to do it because you can figure that out on the internet. There's people that will show you better than me, but that is what I got going on in the local garden. And I'll show you how it works out. Try and keep you updated.